Welcome to my Drunkin Rant show. This should be the first official Drunkin Rant video on my YouTube channel, and I would like to welcome my Snapchat viewers who came all the way to see my Drunkin Rants, and to all the new viewers, welcome.
You should pull the fucking trigger.
Pull the trigger. Ain't nobody gonna do for you.
So today I have a couple of stories I would like to share with you all. Oh, this is some good Moscato. So, the first is Donald and Hillary. Entitled election to begin with. Like, why is this big debate on Donald and a big debate on Hillary? What is going on here? Like, for me personally, I would pick none. No, I would pick none of the two. But either way. Like, if Donald get elected, Donald Trump get elected, let's think about this. He is a powerful man, a powerful investor, a powerful... He knows how to work his stuff. He knows how a business can work. He knows how to make money. So any deficit, anything that happens to the country financially, Donald Trump got this covered. But when you need jobs, I would go for Donald, because Donald look like he knows what he's doing. But then go to Hillary. I don't think about Hillary now. If you want more health care and things like that, more strict rules on violence, then I guess Hillary. But I don't think she would really be the person to provide the jobs now. Donald will provide the jobs and he will provide the actual finances. But then Hillary provides the peace, the guns, regulations, and all of those sweet stuff that most people right now don't really agree with. But either way, it's like the F and PLP in the Bahamas. Like this. Like, who on earth would vote for either one of those parties? But either way, continuing on to our next story. Will be an interesting one indeed. This one is about Justin Bieber. Oh, I know people have forgotten about Justin Bieber, but he got some good songs out now. But just recently, Justin told his fans stop giving him gifts, saying, "I don't want that mierda." Like, really, Justin? Like, why? Why? Like, in the middle of a whole concert now, in the middle of a concert, someone's throwing a gift at him, and he literally roasted and ran that person in the middle of a concert. Like, what is this? Justin, do you want to be popular? Do you want people to hate you? Like, if he's that popular, why is he doing it? Like, Justin, no. And here is a little clip to show you what I'm trying to talk about here.
Take this moment to listen and try not to give me a hat or whatever you're trying to throw on stage right now, because I probably don't want that
shit. But moving right along to a next topic I would like to discuss is that a 7-year-old is among hostages being held by a rape suspect in Baltimore's Burger King. Like, what is this? Like, wow. Like, it's not just being held up. Like, it's being held up in Burger King with a 7-year-old, and it's a rape suspect. Like, what is this coming to? Like, it's literally saying, the article literally is saying that there are, according to the WBAL TV, the police believe that there's only 4 people being held against their will, in quote, in a fast food restaurant. Huh, made me laugh. But the police said that we have our negotiators on scene. We have our SWAT team on scene. Oh, like, what is this? Like, just for this little event, they got a big hold of the SWAT team. Like, wow, they needed that in fucking Orlando. They needed that in Orlando. Like, where were they? Like, where was all of this? But either way, going on to a personal topic that I saw recently. I saw something that I should not have seen. What is happening to these reality TV series, these reality TV shows? These shows are ridiculous, they are absurd and foolish. Like, listen now, hear me out. The show name is called Dating Naked, or Naked Dating. I didn't really pay attention, but Dating Naked or Naked Dating, like, these people go on the show and literally they doing activities naked to try and find a lover. Oh, excuse me. Like I said, this is some good Moscato now. But either way, what is this? Reality TV show is going on the drain. Like, people have to get naked to see some views or get some views. Oh my. This is really something. This is really hurting my head. I don't know what is going on here. But there's a next show that was before this, was called Naked and Afraid, and I think it was on Discovery. Like, I could probably understand that clothes wouldn't really mean nothing, and if it was this other situation, you probably won't have any clothes per se. But Dating Naked, oh, tu estúpido pendejo mierda. What is this? But either way, that was interesting. But wrapping up my drunken rant, all these stories are something. All these stories are interesting. But wow, does it really make you think about why sometimes elections to the pop industry, the music industry, to simple television, all these things are just getting converted to something that it shouldn't be. But either ways, thank you for watching my first official Drunkin Rants. And if you enjoy, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching once again. If you skipped the warning at the beginning of this video, just know that this was a dramatization. So some of the acting or roleplay was a little over the top, but that was meant to be that. So, either way, that's about it. Don't really like cursing, don't really like swearing, even in a different language. But either way, have a good time. Okay?